Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a super easy, I don't want to say like anti-Valentine's Day, but like a little bit more darker Valentine's Day. I found this image on Pinterest. It's all over in Pinterest, so I can't find who like the original person who did this. I feel like this has been around for many years, so look on Pinterest and do like black heart nails or something like that if you want to see some more inspiration from this. But literally I am just making some hearts on the tip, so I thought this would be kind of good if you're like into Valentine's Day or like not into Valentine's Day but you want something a little bit darker or more like winter themed. Does that make sense? Like not girly and pretty but still kind of pretty but a little edgy. I don't know, that's just how I felt with it. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to put in the like Valentine's Day series of nails because I have a lot of girly and pinky and the nails I'm currently wearing. So it's like I have a lot of the girly nails. I needed something a little bit harder because I tend to lean a little bit darker in my nails. Ironically, even though I'm not wearing like dark nails, I love dark nails, but for some reason this color that I'm currently wearing is speaking to me, which I'm pretty sure is already up if this nail tutorial is going up after. I think it is. So I think that kind of purpley is going up first before this guy. So literally I'm just taking the black tie buttercream so I can keep the tip super thin. And you see me kind of just painting a little bit to the left, going to the right, but always kind of sweeping in. Does that make sense? So like I'm taking my brush and kind of fanning it in towards the middle. So that way you kind of create that barrier of your brush creating that kind of arch for the heart. And so I did do almond nails or pointy nails. I didn't want to do like straight stilettos, but you absolutely can. I did more almond shaped and I absolutely loved this shape when it came out. So I will go ahead and let you watch the rest of this.
Isolated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby. Hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test. Yeah, I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless.
All right, now that we've finished our second layer, I am going to encapsulate these. And I personally like to encapsulate my designs. I think it looks really cool. You don't have to do a layer on top. You could just encapsulate, and so it's kind of like a shadowing effect. I personally put color on top as well because I'm file happy, not gonna lie. So first I do my slip layer and then I take a blob. I use Cool Gel for these, like the practice hand, because I have a lot and I don't particularly care for it. I don't like dislike it. I just find it not as easy to work with as one step. So I always do my practice hand with Cool Gel and I feel like I'm always struggling. So it's kind of funny that, you know, a practice hand nails don't really stick in as well. So it's kind of ironic that I would choose a harder gel to work with than an easier gel to work with. I don't know. And it's cold. So I'm like not setting myself up for success here, but it's okay. Like I said, this is a super easy design. So like this is the entire design. So I'm just building up the rest of the nails and I can just go ahead and let you guys watch that.
I want reckless. I wanna get reckless. passion was craving. You love it, you hate it. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna lock the doors, zip it all.
So I'm taking tack here. Tack is like a hidden secret when you want to put buttercreams on top. I use this all the time. This was introduced by Talia, and she also learned it from, I believe her name is Ivy. So she passed this information along, and I am absolutely taking it because it is life-changing. The only problem with this design when you look at it from this tutorial is the fact that I'm using a practice hand. So when you're filing and buffing and everything like that, you can see the nail like cracking. So that's what that white would look like. This looks super awesome on like real hands. So don't ignore that like cracking and like the white. There's not much I can do about it because of the practice hand. The middle finger looks a little bit better, but you know, when you're trying to file these guys, it is so hard. So that's why you see kind of that white underneath. So I just wanted to point that out. But here is the second coat with that buttercream. Again, I like to do this because it brings your color on top. You don't have to, or would be really cool to do on this would maybe put a glitter. So you have the black underneath and like the glitter floating on top. I think that would look really cool as well. So again, play with it, do anything you want with it. You don't even have to use black. You can use any color, hot pink if you want to make it girly, you know. It's up to interpretation to do whatever you would like. So I'm going to leave you here. I do these in matte, so you will see I use flat matte on the top coat. And that's going to end it for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.